Yo, what's up, everybody? I'm going to let y'all see how I make French toast. And I know it's burnt, so y'all don't have to tell me. What you do is you use butter, milk, whatever kind of milk that you use, and then you use eggs. You use like 2 eggs or 1 egg. I normally use like 2 eggs. And then you put it in a bowl, and let me show you the bowl. I know the bowl has a lot of butter in it because that's how I like it. And this is the bowl. I know y'all see a lot of butter, so yeah. And what you do is you get like a stirring spoon, and you just stir it up. You know what I'm saying? And then you put the bread in there. Then you turn it around. Then you put the butter in the pan, and then you put the one bread, because I had to use one bread because our other pans is broken and stuff for some reason. And then you let it cook for like, I don't know, 3 or 4 minutes or something. You keep an eye on you keep, you use the spatula to keep turning it over to make sure it's better looking than this right here, for sure. So hope y'all give this video a thumbs up, and y'all shows y'all how I make French toast. A lot of people might make French toast different, but this is how I make French toast. Don't judge me. Peace out. Support my channel. Continue to be active on my live streams and my videos, because if you have channels, I will support and be active on your channels as well. We're helping each other. So I'm going to be out. Bye.